Hey Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool object right here, and pretty much what this is a back stretcher. If you see for the one that we got right here, it's a brand called Everlasting Comfort. And here's what the product looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up and take it out to show you guys what's included inside. So once you guys take it out, here's what the inside looks like. So the first thing inside, they do give you guys a memory foam pad on here for you guys to put it onto the product. If you see the material that's on here, it definitely has that breathable material, which is really nice. So this is where it's laid down in your back when you guys do use it. And then here's our side. So you see on the top and bottom, they do give you guys a stretching material for you guys to wrap it on the product when you guys do use it. And they also provide a strap option for you to use it if you guys do need to. And then right here, we do have the actual product. Let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, first thing inside right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So this is one way for you to use it. And then here's another way for you to use it on your chair. And then here is actual product. So you see on top right here, they do have the brand name. And throughout the product, you can see they do have this very nice material. You can see the padding that's on here is like a gel infused memory foam material. And then here's the other part that I want to use. So the way how you guys use it is actually very easy. What you're going to do is slide this in right here in the bottom. And you want to bend the top part to fit into this part, or this part right here. So I'm actually bend it and show you guys what I mean. So it's kind of hard for me to go second one, so I just did the first one instead. But once you guys do set it up, you can see this is what the product looks like. If you guys want to encourage more, feel free to use the second one or third one right here. I do want to mention when you guys use a different level on here, this is beginner, here's intermediate, and here's advanced. So if you guys are not used to it, you probably want to use the beginner first. But once you guys do set it up, here is what the product looks like. So you guys can feel free to use like this if you guys want to, or if you guys want to put it on the pad, feel free to do so. Let me put it on to show you guys what it looks like. So once you put it on the pad, you guys want to take it out first. So once you guys take it out, you guys can put this on. Same for this side. Once you guys do put it on, here's what it looks like. So what you're gonna do is put it back on right here and do the same thing to fit it back in. Once you guys got it on, here's what the product looks like with the padding on it. So then feel free to put it on the floor and use like this. Or if you guys want to use the strap, you can put it through the back. Let me put it on to show you guys how to set it up. So the way how you set the strap is actually very easy. What you're gonna do is remove it first. So let's take it out. Once you guys take it out, you guys want to open the cover and take out the foam part as well. Once you guys take out the foam part, you guys want to put it in between it, in the middle. Once you guys put it through, you guys want to put back the foam part on right here. And you guys want to strap it back on. Once you guys got it through, you guys want to lock it back in. So just like that, very easy and very simple. And now you can strap this onto your chair if you guys want to. So whether if you guys want to put this onto your chair or on the floor to use, that is totally up to you guys. So that is everything that's on the product. Now I'm actually going to test it out to show you guys what it actually looks like and how it feels when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let's test it out to see what actually works. So what I want to do is just lay it on top. And you guys want to take it nice and slowly and try not to hurt yourself when you guys do use it. So once you guys do lay down, this is what the product looks like. So right now, because I have it a beginner, it doesn't really do too much. But this is what the product looks like if you guys were to use it. Let me actually adjust it to next level. So now we have it intermediate. So we have to try again. So when we use it on intermediate, I definitely feel a lot more of that stretch on my back. It actually feels really nice. It definitely helps you guys stretch your whole entire back, especially your lower back. For me, I do have lower back pain, so this is actually really helpful. So obviously when you guys use it, you probably want to use it on the floor because there's a lot more support and that way your body is flat. I'm doing tables so that way you can see a better point of view of what the product looks like when you guys do use it. But when you guys do use the product, it definitely feels pretty nice. You do get the support on here because of that memory foam material that feels really comfortable. But you do also stretch your back when you guys do use it, which is pretty nice. So that is one way for you to use it. Another way for you to use it is to put it on the chair. Let me show you how to do it. So for example, right here, I do have a chair. All I need to do is wrap it around the back. Just like this. And you guys want to tighten up. You just want to pull the strap to tighten up. Just make it as tight as possible. Alright, so that should be good. Once you guys got it set up, what you're going to do is just sit on here and just lay back. So just like this. If you guys want to adjust it, feel free to adjust it. But if you guys do lean back, you guys can definitely feel that support on the back when you guys are sitting down on here. If you guys do apply force onto it, it definitely gives you guys a lot of support, but doesn't really stretch as much compared to when you guys lay down on the floor. And the reason why is because when you guys are lying down on the floor, you guys apply more force on the product. So that way can help you guys stretch mainly the back or lower back area, which is really nice. But when you guys do put on a chair, it definitely gives you guys that lumbar support design when you guys do use it, which is pretty nice. So that is how you guys use the product if you guys want to use it on the floor or if you guys use it on a chair. But eventually it does work. Welcome back, guys. So next, a quick test of the product, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. And even when you guys use it on the chair, it actually helps as well. But obviously when you guys use it on the floor, it works a lot better because you guys are using a lot more force on it compared to when you guys are leaning back on the chair. And when you guys do use the product, it's actually very comfortable because it does have that padding on here or that memory foam padding to give you guys that cushion on top. And supposedly for the cover that's on the memory foam padding, you guys can take that out to wash it if you guys want to as well. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality back stretcher that can use to help you guys stretch your back after a long day of work or working out or anything else. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.